I'm loving the cat club, and here doing the weather is Elizabeth. And as January comes to an end, how's February looking then?
Well, it's still looking quite windy, I'm afraid, Riz. January just goes on forever, doesn't it? I'm so happy it's the last day of it, but not too much difference tomorrow. It's windy and sunny today. It won't be quite as sunny tomorrow. Some lovely snowdrops here. First ones that I've seen all year is recorded by Surbiton Sue and Kew Gardens. Lovely one of Woolworth here. Had to find one from the east for you. And again, some catkins, lovely sign of spring here as recorded by our weather watcher in Putney. But of course, I'm sidestepping the real issue of the day, which was just how blustery it was. We saw gusts of wind of 47 miles an hour recorded in Northolt and in Kenley in Surrey earlier on. Someone was brave enough to fly the kite. It will be windy for much of the rest of the week, so the wind's strengthening again at times. It's going to stay really quite unsettled. Temperature-wise, it will turn mild and then a lot colder from Thursday, Friday onwards, mild again at the weekend. So our Storm Corrie, pulling out into the North Sea there. We've got a warm front heading our way overnight tonight. So if you just take a look at the temperatures, you can see that they dip quite early on, down to around 3 degrees Celsius, then start to rise unusually as we head throughout the night. It's cloudy, a few dribs and drabs of rain, but not really amounting to very much at all. And we'll start the day off tomorrow on a much milder note at around 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at tomorrow then. It stays cloudy pretty much all day, could brighten up a touch perhaps as we head into the afternoon, maybe some limited sunshine, not as much as today. It does stay really rather windy as well. Gusts of wind of 30 to 35 miles an hour. It's mild with highs of 13 degrees Celsius. And on Wednesday, we're staying in that mild air. There will be some brighter skies for a time through the morning, and then it will cloud over again into the afternoon. Temperatures again hitting 13 degrees Celsius. And once more, it does stay quite blustery. Let's take a look at Thursday. There's a cold front heading our way. Behind that, some colder air. There will be some outbreaks of rain once. It's been very dry so far, hasn't it? And also some strong gusty winds. So if we take a look at the outlook for the rest of the week, you can see that temperatures start to dip. Mild again at the weekend, still windy, Riz.
Elizabeth, thanks very much. A quick reminder of today's main news headlines. An initial report by senior civil servant Sue Gray into allegations of lockdown parties in Downing Street and Whitehall has said there were failures of leadership and judgment within Number 10. The Prime Minister has apologised in Parliament, where he faced criticism from MPs on all sides. And ministers have been meeting today to discuss whether to scrap mandatory COVID vaccinations for NHS workers in England. Around 77,000 staff haven't had a jab. Unions have warned that the policy could lead to staff shortages when services are under extreme pressure. And that's where we leave you. By the way, on our website, check out the train that's been named in honour of a London politician who campaigned for better services for passengers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.